Oh, yeah. How do you know Epperson?
Before Andy went federal, he was NYPD.
Oh,
I also used to date a little.
No.